Hi class 7. Today again we are going to learn Hindi and the lesson is part 18 lesson 18 समय का सदुपयोग proper use of time. The meaning is, or we say punctuality. So the meaning are, before we start the lesson it's better to know some words, okay? The meaning of the words. Number 1, समय time, nust spoil or destroy, निर्धारित schedule, उचित suitable, गुलाम स्लैब अनुसार अकॉर्डिंग, विद्यार्थी स्टूडेंट, व्यक्ति पर्सन, इतिहास हिस्ट्री, शब्द अर्थ वर्ड मीनिंग्स, रिक्त एम्प्टी ब्लैंक, पूर्ति फिल, प्रश्नों क्वेश्चंस, उत्तर आंसर, विलोम opposite. So these are the meaning that you are going to find in your lesson. So let us start the lesson. I'm going to explain the lesson, okay? This lesson is very important, especially for the students. So I want you to listen it very carefully and try to understand, okay? So part 18 or part 18 lesson 18 समय का सदुपयोग, proper use of time. So इस संसार में सबसे बहुमूल्य वस्तु है समय. In this world, the most precious or the costly thing is the time. As you all know, it's very important, isn't it? कहा जाता है कि समय और लहरें किसी की प्रतीक्षा नहीं करते. It is said that the time and the waves never wait for anyone. जो समय को नष्ट करते हैं, समय उन्हें नष्ट कर देता है. Those who try to spoil the time will ultimately spoil their life for a particular person or individual, okay? समय के महत्व को समझने वाला व्यक्ति जीवन में पीछे रह जाता है. समय के महत्व को न समझने वाला व्यक्ति जीवन में पीछे रह जाता है. A person who never know the value or the precious value or the importance of time will always remain behind. Who never follow the right time will never succeed in their life. It means, okay? समय तर्कस से निकले तीर के समान है जिसे लौटाया नहीं जा सकता. You know, bow and arrow. When you shoot, when you use a bow and arrow, when you shoot an arrow, you see it's never returned to you back. It's never returned to you. It never come back to you. Like that, once the time is gone, it's gone. It's never come back. So everything should be done on time. समय के सदुपयोग का अर्थ भी यही है कि समय पर अपना कार्य पूर्ण कर लेना चाहिए. So the proper use of time means we have to use the time in correctly on the correct time. We have to be very punctual in everything. Everything should be done on the correct time. इतिहास भी इस बात की गवाह देता है. Even the history also witnessed about this time. जो समय को नहीं समझता या समय के अनुसार काम नहीं करता, a person who never understand the importance of time and who never works according to the time, वह नष्ट हो जाता है. They are destroyed और जीवन भर पछताता है. And they always feel regret for that. समय किसी का गुलाम नहीं. The time is not a slave for anyone. वह किसी की प्रतीक्षा नहीं करता. Time never wait for anyone. कुछ लोग आज का काम कल पर डालते हैं. Some people used to keep pending their work for today since they have to do today itself, but they keep it pending for tomorrow. भूल जाते हैं कि कल कभी नहीं जाते. They used to forget that tomorrow never comes, is it? Tomorrow never come. इसलिए जो करना है आज ही कर लेना चाहिए. That's why whatever you have to do it today itself. Do not keep it pending for tomorrow. विद्यार्थियों के लिए समय का सदुपयोग करना और भी ज़रूरी है. Most importantly for the student, they have to use this time they have to use the time very correctly. They have to be very punctual for everything, क्योंकि उनके सामने अभी पूरा जीवन पड़ा है. Because they have their whole life to use this time correctly, on time and punctuality. They have to follow everything. उन्हें सफलता की ऊंची मंजिल पानी, because they have to achieve their goal, okay? So for that they have to follow the right time. सबसे बड़ी बात तो यहाँ है कि बचपन में जो आदतें पड़ जाती है वे जीवन भर बनी रहती है. So most importantly, the habit which they have in their childhood becomes it becomes a habit for them. सबसे बड़ी बात तो यह है कि बचपन में जो आदतें पड़ जाती है वे जीवन भर बनी रहती है. Most importantly, when they were during their childhood, they used to have a habit. They used to follow their habit in their life. Sorry. सबसे बड़ी बात तो यह है कि बचपन में जो आदतें पड़ जाती है जीवन भर बनी रहती है. Most importantly, the habit which they have during their childhood, they used to follow them every day. That's very bad. They should not do that. They should not follow that bad habit in their whole life. They have to change themselves. जो विद्यार्थी समय पर कार्य करने की आदत नहीं डालते हैं, वे जीवन में कभी भी सफल नहीं होते. Those students who never make a habit of doing their work on time, they will never achieve success in their life. क्योंकि समय तो अपनी गति से चलता है. Because time always move with its own speed. It's never wait for anyone. किसी की प्रतीक्षा नहीं करता. Never wait for anyone. इसलिए यदि समय के महत्व को समझ जाते हैं, समय विभाजन कर उसका सदुपयोग करना सीख जाते हैं तो भविष्य भी उज्जवल होता है. इसलिए यदि समय के महत्व को समझ जाते हैं, if you understand the importance of time and if you use the 24 hours usefully by dividing them, by making a good routine for every work, their future is become very brightful future they used to have. So use the time. Okay, समय विभाजन कर उसका सदुपयोग करना सीख जाते हैं तो भविष्य उज्जवल होता है. निर्धारित समय पर उचित कार्य करने वाला व्यक्ति ही जीवन में सफलता पाते हैं. निर्धारित means schedules, a very punctual, a very perfect routine. A person who make a perfect routine in their life and who make a very good schedules in their works, for their studies, for everything. This type of person always success in their life. They become a very successful person in their whole life. Their future will always very bright and very successful. So the moral of the story is that use the time properly. Do everything on time, so you will achieve everything in your life which you wished to achieve. So being a successful person, you must be very punctual. You must use the time properly. So this is the theme of the story. Some word meanings are here. Sansar means world. Bahumulya, precious or costly. Pratiksha, waiting. Mahatva, importance. Tarkas, a quiver. Tir, arrow. Sadupyog, proper use. Gavahi, witnessing. Anusar, according or likewise. Gulam, a slave. Manjil, destination. जीवन भर, whole life. गति, speed. विभाजन, division. भविष्य, future. उज्ज्वल, brightness. निर्धारित, determined. So here are some exercise portions. Page number 105. Here is fill in the blanks. अभ्यास means practice. Question number 1 is दिए गए शब्दों में से सही शब्द चुनकर रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति कीजिए. Some words are given here. According to these sentences, you have to fill the blanks. Okay, all the words are given here. So you will find all these answer from this lesson. These fill in the blanks are done by using this lesson itself. So you will find all the answer. You can do it very well. So here vilom शब्द, opposite word. इन शब्दों के विलोम शब्द. विलोम means opposite word. So अच्छा, good. What is the opposite of good? आवश्यक means important, necessary. भविष्य means future. भूल means forget. दिन, day. बड़ा, big. जीवन, life. उचित, suitable. So you have to give the Hindi opposite word of this given word. अच्छा, बुरा, आवश्यक, अनावश्यक. भविष्य, भूतकाल. भूल, याद. दिन, रात. बड़ा, छोटा. जीवन, मृत्यु. उचित, अनुचित. These are the Vilom Shabd. Okay.